Hi, my name is Yasmin and I'm studying production engineering in the University of Brasília. Today I'm here to present a bit of a discipline that I participated during the semester. This discipline is called Advanced Project Management and it tends to compare and present the two main project management methodologies. The traditional one that can be found in the PMBOK guide and the Agile method. This course stipulated that the students should create a RPG game based in some concepts such as sustainable production, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and many others. Our group was responsible to create a game with the sustainable production topic. Meanwhile, this whole execution was happening, we needed to track them with management tools. The project schedule stipulated that we needed to use, in the first half of the semester, called Phase 1, the traditional methods, and then, in the other half, called Phase 2, we should use the Agile method. At Stage 1, we began with the planning phase and the traditional methodology. Requirements for the game determined by our stakeholders were reviewed. Then, the project initiation document, PID, was made, and it contains project goals, scope, project organization, business case, constraints, stakeholders, risks, project controls, reporting framework, PID sign-off, and a summary. This is like a first drawing of our project. Later, we developed the project management plan. That is a formal way to guide both project execution and project control. It's a way more complete document than the PID because it contemplates scope management, requires management, schedule management, financial management, quality management, resource management, stakeholder management, communication management, project change management, and risk management. So it has a way more information to track down our project. Finally, with the kickoff meeting, the execution phase started. The main activities were the study of the software, the development of the game itself, and then testing it. During this period, the schedule had to be checked up and be all paired with the activities defined. After the presentation of the results of the Stage 1, we received some feedbacks from our stakeholders. Then, the Phase 2 began with the use of the Agile methodology. Then, in our first meeting assuming this new method, were to align the corrections needed in the game and the adoption of new requirements. Then, we presented to our project owner, our PO, that is the person that is the most interested in this project, our client, so to speaking, our new ideas, the product backlog, that is all the activities necessary to deliver the project, and our first sprint planning, that is our first work package. Every week we updated the Trello Agile framework with a new sprint backlog, moved the activities from the to-do list to done, so we were both supervising the project and doing adjustments in the game. This is an advantage of this methodology. At the end of the fourth sprint, we delivered the game that followed all the pre-instructions, and it was based on the sustainable production theme. The game presents one country with two states, reverse logistics and recycling. The first state is formed by two cities, Canalândia, that in Portuguese is a trick with the word sugarcane, and Biocana, remitting to bioenergy. Canalândia is portrayed as a city that bases its economy in the sugar production, has a short amount of natural resources, and it's very dry. The characters, the heroes of the game, have the mission to fight against bureaucracy to install an irrigation system that will save water, and they have to propose that the cane bagasse should be used as an input to a new power generation process. The idea is to use the material from the previous round in biocana, applying the concept of reverse logistics. Biocana is a rich city that already has an energy industry that generates some environment contamination. That's why it's important that the heroes fight for a new way of energy production. The next state is composed by Lixinópolis, in Portuguese a trick with the word garbage, and Gelópolis, a name related with snow and cold. Lixinópolis is a dirty, decadent, and poor city that has a big outdoor trash dump. The idea is to create a sanitary landfill and collect the items that can be recycled. In this case, the heroes need to get plastic bottles and alkaline batteries. Gelópolis is a very cold city that has textile and clothing industry as its biggest local business. The mission is to use the items collected and recycled into inputs to make new clothes with the plastic bottles and bring some color to them with the pigment extracted from the batteries. So, that's basically how the game works. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and bye bye.